This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making your devices visible to one another. You must be on the same Wi-Fi and have the YouTube app updated. Once that's true, power on the TV or Chromecast and set the input. Make sure YouTube has local network permission on your phone so the app can discover devices. Now unlock your phone, open YouTube, and get ready to tap the cast icon. This is the first actionable move that starts the connection process and hands control to you. Tap the cast icon in YouTube's interface and select the device name that matches your TV or Chromecast. You'll see a thumbnail join the TV when connected. Once connected, use your phone as the remote to play, pause, scrub the timeline, and adjust volume. If playback lags, lower video quality or move closer to the router. This reduces buffering. If the option appears, choose whether audio stays on phone or routes to TV, because that choice affects volume control and sync. To finish, tap the cast icon again and choose Stop Casting, or close the YouTube app to release the device. If the device never appears or disconnects, reboot the phone, TV, or router. That often clears discovery issues. Make sure both devices use the same SSID and that no VPN or guest network isolates them, because mismatch blocks casting. If problems persist, update firmware on your TV/Chromecast and the YouTube app. This resolves many compatibility glitches and unstable behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.